everyone, it's me, Nicholas. Today, I'm going to show you how to make macaroni and cheese. Hope you like it. So first, we peel the wrapper off, and then we take this cheese bag off and just like make it so it's not bendy. And then we put water in to this line in the middle, and then we fill it up to there. Okay, you see it's at the line, and now we're just going to mix it a little. Put it back in there. And then we put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to put it. Oh! I'm just going.
Don't forget to put it inside the microwave.
I forgot. And should I just start it?
Yes.
In the meantime, when it's cooking, you can do jumping jacks. Oh, I need a break. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it until it's done. 2 more minutes. I'm going to do more jumping jacks because it's a little boring just being quiet. Man, this is tiring. Okay, I'm going to do another break. When you take it out, be careful because it might be a little hot. Okay. And then in the meantime, when it's cooling off, we can just hit this because when we take it out, we don't want cheese getting out. So we do this to like get it on the bottom, so when we open it, none falls. So I'm just going to open it. Okay. And then we put out. And then we be careful and we put it in. And just to make sure all of the cheese is in, we do this. Okay. Oh, and now we have to mix it. I'm just going to do this so none of the cheese gets out, and so it all gets in the macaroni and cheese. I'm just going to mix it more. And I'm just going to scrape it all off on the side and then just keep on mixing. And I think it's a little done. Oh, I'm just going to mix it a little more just to make sure. And, okay. I'm just going to say it's ready. And then we pour it in the bowl. Get all of it in the bowl. Okay, since that's done, I'm going to eat it. Bon appetit. I'm just going to take this spoon. Yeah, I'm just going to wait a little because it's hot. Ow. I kind of burned my lip a little because I gently put it on my lip. Ow. To wait a few minutes to let it cool down so you can actually eat it. So I'm just going to check if it's a little ready. Man, that's steaming hot. I just burned my tongue. I'm a little sweaty. It's a lot of work, and this is really hot, and it's where the steam is coming towards my face, so I'm sweating. My tongue is still burning. Okay, so I'm just going to try it. Bon appetit. Perfecto. I'm just going to take a bigger bite. It is cold. It is good. Okay, see you next time. Bye.